Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll be solving this question, which is find duplicate subtrees. This question is of lead code number 652. So according to the question, I will be given the root of a binary tree. I have to return all the duplicate subtrees. For each kind of duplicate subtree, you only need to return the root node of any one of them. Two trees are duplicate if they have same structure with the same node values. If you see here, and this one, they both are same. They have the same structure, and each node, every node in the subtree is having the same value. So yes, I can consider that these both of them are identical. So I will only include one of them. Either this can be or it can be this. So I can include any one of them. I will include this, let's say. And if you see closely, then inside this structure I have 4 also. So this will be also included because 4 has also an identical, or you can say duplicate guy. For this 4, this is the duplicate guy. Okay, let's say example 2. For this 1 and 1 are also duplicate. Okay, for this 2 and 3, this one is also same. Example number 1. Let's see some of the constraints. The number of node in this tree will be in the range of 1 to 5000. Okay, and node value will be in the range of -200 to 200. Okay, let's see the solution for this problem. So what I have to do is that I have to find the root node of that subtree which is identical to some other subtree in the whole tree. Okay, but how am I going to find that this type of, or you can say this structure of the tree has already been seen? How am I going to know that? So definitely I have to use some kind of map, so that I can remember some things. But the question is, how am I going to know that this kind of subtree was already seen before? While I will be traversing the root tree like this, and I will be going like this here, when I will find that, how am I going to know that this kind of subtree has already been seen? So this is the question. So let's see, I have a trick for this. So the trick is such that we can represent a tree in the string form, and that is how I will show you this. Suppose this is a root node, and to the left of it it's null, and to the right of it it's null. So how we can represent this tree into string? So this can be such that 1 is the root value, and inside this I am going to put each and everything to the left, what is in the left subtree, and inside this for the right subtree. For now it's null, so nothing will be inserted here, nothing will be in this brackets, inside this brackets, and here also there will be nothing. Suppose to the left side of 1 it had 5, and to the left side of 5 there was null. So now there will be something present on inside this braces. Okay, so what will be that? This will be again, let's try to find the string value for this subtree. What will be that? It will be 5, and this will be the left subtree part. Okay, so I will insert it, right? This is the left part, and what is in my right part? It's a null. Suppose now in the right part it was something different, let's say 1, and let's say 2, it was like this. Now how I can represent this portion in the string form? Like this one, I can represent like this: 1, and to the left there is null, so to the right it's not null, so but to the left of this it's null, like this I can represent, right? Now I will insert the whole subtree, I mean the whole string into this, inside this. Okay, so this is how my string value for this subtree will look like. Okay, it's very simple. Like you just first you have to do is that you have to put the value of that root node, and the two braces will be there, two pair of braces for the left subtree part, for the right subtree part. So this is how you can represent a particular subtree in the string form. Suppose you want to find the string form for this guy, what will be it? Okay, so first we represent, I mean first we include this 2, right? And the left part, in the left part if you go, I have a 4, so I will say 4. What is in the left of 4? Null, nothing. What is in the right of 4? Nothing. The left part is done now. Now I will check the right part of 2. What is to the right part of 2? Nothing, null. So nothing will be in the inside this bracket. Okay. So now let's see the solution for this problem. So what I'm thinking of doing is that I will simply do a in order traversal. Okay, I will go left and node, I mean I will simply do a traversal, and during each traversal I will try to find suppose I am at this node particular, I will try to do what, I will try to find the string value for left subtree, for the right subtree, and I will by using both of them I will simply find the string value for the whole tree. This is how I am going to approach this solution. I am going to approach the problem, sorry. So let's do a dry run, like how is it going to be. Let's take a map. Okay, I am currently here. I went here. Again I went here. I will go to left, 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 right? When I went left, 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 I found to the left that it's a null. Now what is the string value for this node, for this subtree? It says it's like this, 4 two brackets. Try to include it into the map and increase the counter. Earlier on it was 0, now it's 1. Okay, now what will be the, I will move back. Okay, I will from 4 I will move back to 2 now. Now what will be the, I have generated I have generated the left subtree part. This was this. What will be the string value for whole subtree? This will be the string value for whole subtree, 2, and the left part is this. Okay, and what is to the right of 2? Nothing but null. So yeah, include this also into the map and increase its value count. Okay, this is left part, this is okay. Now from 2 you will again move back to 1. Now you know the what will be, what is the left subtree string form? This is the left subtree string form, and I have to find the, now I will go to the right, I will go to 3, again I will go to the left part of it, I will go to 2, again I will go to 4. So now when I will go to 4 and try to generate what will be the string form for this subtree, it will be such that 4 two brackets. And now when I will check that if it is present into my map and it has a value 1, then yes, there was some duplicacy before the traversal. I mean I had already seen this type of structure, so I will try to simply include the node value into my answer. not a node value, I mean this, I will try to simply include this node into my vector. Okay, so now let's say this is the vector, or you can say answer. It's 4 now. Okay, I will come back. I will come from 4. I will come back to 2, and I will try to find the subtree. I mean, sorry, so, the string form for this subtree. It will be such that 2, 4 brackets like this, and yes, this will be the string form for the whole subtree. Now, when I will check that if it is present into the map, yes, it is present. And what is the value? It's 1. So it simply means that I have already seen this type of structure while doing the traversal. So it means that I am the duplicate one. So I will insert this one also into my answer. 2 comma 4 I am inserting. Okay, 2 and 4. Yeah. Now from 2 I will move back. Right. Okay, I have forgotten to do one thing. Like when I got this when I was here, I generated the string value for this subtree, right? And it was like this, and I found that it is already present. So I will include 4 into my 4 this node into my vector, and I have to increase the counter as well, right? I have found it 2 times, so it will be 2. Similarly for this as well, it will be 2, right? Now from 2 I moved to 3. So for 3 I have to find the string form. For this portion I have to find, right? I will move to now 4. Okay, I will move to 4, and again 4 will be what? Structure, I mean the string form of 4 will be this. I will check if it is into my map. Yes, it is present in my map, but the value is not 2. I mean the value is not 1 here. I have I mean it is found for 2 times, and definitely I know that while if I have found for 2 times, in the second time I have already included this one into my answer, so nothing will happen right now, only the count will be increased. Okay, and I will be only including it into my I will be only including a particular tree node into my answer if I find that the current string form has a value of 1, right? At that time only I will be doing. So now let's try to from 4 I will be coming back to 3. Okay, now at 3 I will try to draw the tree string form of this subtree. So it will be such that 2, 4 like this, I wrote this. Okay, and now to the right of it, it's like this. Yeah, I will check if it is present into my map. No, it's not present, right? So nothing will be added into my answer. I will simply include I will increase the counter of this guy. I will increase the count of this guy. Now it will be 1. From 3 I will be moving back to 1, right? And what will be the what will be the string form for this? It will be such that this one is the right portion. Okay, 1, and inside it I will have the left portion, which is this one. And I will check if it is present into my map. No, it's not present. Now I will simply include this into my map and increase the counter. I think some mistake is there. Okay, let's say I have done, and this one is 1 currently. Now this is how I am going to find the answer. This is the solution for this problem. So let's do coding for this solution. What I am going to need is that I will be needing a vector of tree node, a pointers answer, and a map string comma int, it will be mp. I need a I will be returning answer. Okay, I will make another function so that I can carry out that traversal helper. I will pass the root, I will pass the answer, I will pass the map. Okay, it will be returning what? String. It will be the returning string form of the sub array. I am sorry, subtree. Let's say node and vector of tree node answer and unordered map string comma int. I'm taking the reference. Okay, now in between, if I find that the node is null, I will simply return what? Empty string. Correct. Now let's try to find the string form for the particular subtree where I am currently. Okay, so it will be such that I will first have to include the value of the node. So I will convert the node's value into a string, and I will say now it's for I will try to find the subtree, left subtree string form. Okay, so yeah, I will say helper go to left. Sorry, I did a mistake here. It should be node val. Yeah, I will now. Let's back to here. Helper node left answer and mp same. This and this, right? I hope you got this. It's a simple thing, nothing. Now I will go to right, answer map, and at the end I have to close the bracket as well, right? Now what I already told you, that if I find the value of this string is a 1, what I am going to do is that I am going to include the tree node into my answer vector. This way. Now increase it, and at last I have to return the string this way. I hope everything is correct here. Yes. So what is the time complexity? Time complexity is all O of n, because I am doing simple traversal, right? Space complexity O of h, or you can say O of n at the worst case. So now let's try to run this code. Let's try to submit it. So the code is submitted. I hope you got the solution. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can just drop the doubt in the comment section. I will definitely reply, and I will be very happy to help you. Thank you.